Okay, we're in the attic, and but we're looking at the HVAC systems, the HVAC systems. This is the upstairs unit, I believe, on the west side of the home. And then on the east side of the attic is the downstairs unit. Our air conditioning duct should not be kinked and restricted. We should not have more than ½ inch sag in it. Like that over there. I don't want people stepping on my gas pipe. You want people stepping on your gas pipe? So this gas pipe should have a rail, kind of like that, to kind of protect this a little bit. The rail bit built around it, painted red, so that people don't step on your gas piping or in your regular piping. Another thing that I'm noticing over here is that where our air filters are at the units, are they not? This one maybe not. This one maybe. We'll see if they put where they put air filters. Am I seeing that right? Huh. These suitcase buckles, and you open it up like that, and maybe an air filter goes in there. And then this is a Lennox model, and I don't have the care and use manuals here, but I'm seeing shallow P-traps, and a lot of manufacturers do not like shallow P-traps. Okay, they specify a deeper P-trap, so that might be the case. And this is our power for it. This is our fresh air induction fan motor going to the downstairs unit. Okay, see this filter? It's kind of like buying children's tennis shoes. It's kind of expensive. And every time I do a new construction, when I come back for the final, I'm going to be opening this up and looking at that filter. And every time I find them dirty. Every single time. They usually go a long time, but with construction, when the construction is going, and the builders are real good about insisting that you get fresh air filters at the start. But they're talking about this filter over here. They're not talking about that filter over there. And you want that one cleaned as well. Just saying. I mean, it's not cost prohibitive, but it's only like 12 inches by 12 inches, right? And it costs like $30, you know, so something to think about.